Hello, good morning, all the way here from the north of Spain. Today, we go walking to buy some bread for breakfast. It's 8:30 in the morning, so the weather is very cloudy. See you later. Hello, everyone. We are here at Hondarrabia. It's a northern part of Spain. There's the beach. It's northern part of Spain. It's part of bosque country. So it's very nice here because it's not so warm. It's a bit chilly here. Sometimes it's rain in the summer. Yeah, you don't know when it's gonna rain. And like now, it's very cloudy. Yesterday is a bit sunny. So we arrived yesterday around in the afternoon. And look, this is the neighboring. We didn't find a bake shop who is open. It's still very early, so we'll try out later. No bread for now. Look, the street. Aray. This is the bike lane where you can bike. And look, this beautiful flower in the island. Is it called, what do you call this one in the Philippines? It's the, yeah, I remember is we call this one a million flower because it's just a million of petals. I remember before in the house of my grandmother, look, they planted a lot of this kind of flowers. Look, isn't it amazing? And the neighboring houses, yeah, look, ang dami, nakakumpul-kumpul, di ba? It's really all the way there in the edge of the island where we stay. And also this one is different color. I don't know if that is going to die already. And this one, this pink, light pink, baby pink. Ay, nasa bike Luna. We're done. There's a bike. Because I'm walking on the bike lane. Sun. Oh, I'm a bit warm now after walking. And that was Luna, my buddy, and the 3 little monkeys is at home there. Sun. Ganda, as in, I really love it. It's very nice to spend vacation here during the summer because here in the northern Spain it's not so warm. It's still warm, but not really warm as like in Madrid, because Madrid is very dry. Because here in the northern Spain it's more greeny. There's the trees, mountains, sea. So yeah, as well as like I said a while ago that sometimes it's rain here during the summer. Sun. And yeah, it's nice here because yeah, look at this place. This side is already the like polideportivo, or like the how you call it, court for sports, like the paddle football. Yeah, everything here you can. You have a lot of things to do here. If you like surfing, you can do surfing. If you like the beach, you can go to the beach and swim. There, that's the flowers. This part is already purple. It's all purple here. Look, and look those mountains over there. Baka may bike na naman sa likod ko. And look at those mountains. Wait, Luna. See? Did you see those white thing? That's all animals. That's sheep or a cow. I don't know. But there's a lot of people. There's a lot of cow and sheep here. Look. That's the paddle court. Paddle or tennis. Tennis court. Daming nagja-jogging. And then it's only 1 hour and a half and you're already in France. It's closer. This place is close already to France. Yan. Diyan purple na naman siya. Yan o, purple na naman yung kulay. Doon kanina daanan natin, ano siya? Pink, di ba? Ngayon dito purple. There you are. And on that building, you can see the white building. That's where we stay. That's where we stay with my bosses and my kids and the kids. So it's just very handy. So this place is not so big. It's just a bit small town. And in front is the playground, so the kids just cross the street and play here. We went there yesterday. So, okay guys, see you and thank you for watching. See you again on my vlog here in Hondarrabia. Bye. God bless everyone. Have a good day.